In this video I make a liner for the key layer from aluminium and I reassemble the knife. Right, next I'm going to make a liner that goes between the scissors layer and the key layer. This is a bit of 0.7mm aluminium sheet, which is the same material that the rest of the liners are made from. So I'm going to stick this onto the fixture plate and then drill through these holes to get the whole pattern. Right, I've just taped that on there. Now I'll drill through the holes. I'm going to copy the profile of this one for the for this liner. Okay, this is the first test assembly. It's pretty good. Annoyingly, the back of the key is slightly galled up, so it's a bit rough opening it. I've put a bit of oil on it, but I'm going to have to strip it down again and rectify that. I'll probably have to repolish the back of the key and maybe the front of the back spring. Okay, now for the nerve-wracking part, riveting it back together. First step is to trim the rivets to length. I just riveted the companion back together, minus its scissors layer, because we've stolen the back spring, and that went fine. This thing works fine. It's nice and free. The joints are all tight, but not too tight, and that allowed me to figure out the length of the rivets. I estimated an extra 1.5mm above the ring on each rivet, and that seemed to work pretty well. So yeah, gonna do that now. So now I've got, I don't know, what is this? I can't remember the name of this. I think this is now an official knife. Maybe I'll sell it on eBay or something. I'm not sure what to do with it now, but anyway. So let's go. So my procedure here. First take the ring, put the ring on. And then, actually before doing that, just put a bit of Sharpie on the rivet. Then lay the ring in position. And then zero the caliper on the top of the ring. Try that again, that didn't work very well. Right, there we go. So I've zeroed that on the top of the ring. And then from there, well, that's a better 0. From there we add 1.5 mil. I'll do. And then hold the caliper in position, and then just with a scalpel, I'm just marking where to cut with the side cutters. Yeah, that's pretty reasonable. And then just the same on the other end. So now with these side cutters, I've got some, these have been ground flush, these side cutters, so they cut pretty square, or reasonably square, reasonably flush. Trying to hold the other ring on so it doesn't go missing. Okay. Now holding the bottom ring on, I'm now going to start riveting. Just using a flat face, small cross peen hammer seems to work fine. Flip it over, do the other side. And it's all about doing this progressively, so a bit from each side. Don't rush it, don't do it with large whacks, just gentle tapping. Reasonably gentle. And the final step is just a stroke or two with a file to just take the head down flush to the top of the ring. Hardly needs anything because they're already almost flush. Brilliant. And that's done. Repeat another 3 times. Right, that's all the rivets peened. That went reasonably well. Everything works. Everything opens. Everything closes smoothly. The key is still slightly galled. I polished it and I worked with it a bit, but I couldn't stop it from galling again. But it's survivable. It's not too bad. It's a little bit rough. Great. So I'm now going to put the sides on. Scales. Okay, I've got some soft jaws in the vise. Let's give it a squeeze. That's nice. That's all the way home. of cork dust on the product. That's fantastic. Okay, if you made it this far, thanks very much for watching, and please comment to tell me how I can improve these videos. I'm trying to learn how to get better at video creation, so all comments welcome. Thanks a lot.